RDS Operation Guide. Firstly, turn on the main switch. Step 2. Press and hold the start button on the wireless remote control for 3 seconds. The simultaneous flashing of the green light indicates successful pairing. Step 3. Open the vacuum manual switch valve. Step 4. Press T suction button. Step 5. Ensure that the digital vacuum sensor reads between -60 kPa to -70 kPa. The vacuum pressure gauge points to the green zone, and the vacuum alarm light is not activated before proceeding with safe usage. RDS is capable of 360-degree rotation through electric hydraulic control and 90-degree tilting operation, also controlled electrically and hydraulically. After installation, press and hold the release button to unload the glass. RDS is equipped with a charging port, a main switch, a vacuum alarm light, a voltmeter, a battery level indicator, a digital vacuum pressure sensor, a vacuum pressure gauge, a wireless remote control, a wired remote control, adjustable suction cups, and suction cup frame extension rods.